For number 3, we will go ahead and factor this. And this would be x minus 3 and times x minus 3. So it's x minus 3 squared. That's greater than 0. Again, we will temporarily set it equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. Okay. You draw the graph. There will be one root at 3. Okay. And then we say, hey, the inequality says that, can you find out the x value so that you can make the quadratic equation of the parabola that's bigger than or equal to 0? And we look at the graph, we're like, yeah, this entire graph is above 0 or at 0. So our solution will be all real numbers. So from negative infinity to infinity. Okay. So again, okay, there's nothing to memorize, I hope. Okay, that's my message I want to get across. There's nothing to memorize. You just need to graph it correctly and then open your eyes, look at the inequality, make sure you're interpreting the inequality properly, and then just see the solution. Okay. So if you do the number line, again, if anything that's squared, it's going to be positive. So so you would have everything to be included here. Yes. Because this part is also greater than 0. If you just say 3 to infinity, then you're only including this part only.
So the solution is like on top of x-axis.
The solution, well, the solution is any, now, first, this is our x values. These are the x values. So what we're saying is if you pick any value from negative infinity to infinity for x, you put it back to the expression here or here, you get a true statement. Okay. So if you don't believe it, you can just go ahead and pick any value, like maybe negative 10 if you want to. You say negative 10 minus 3, it's negative 13, and you square that, you have a positive value. So that's how we realize that it is valid. Okay.